Hey guys, welcome back for today's unboxing video. I got two boxes in, which are gonna be all raw comics this time around. One box containing only one single copy, which is an older one, and I think it's a shoe box containing somewhere around 30 comics or something like that, I think. I came across this one and I took a look at the pictures, and there were some comics in there which looked interesting to add to my collection. Some I might not end up keeping, but I'll see about that once I actually unbox it. So let me just start off with this one, and then we'll keep the old one after this unboxing of this batch of comics right here. This is better. There were a couple of Captain Americas in here which I still didn't have, and Doctor Strange, which I just want to have because I think it looks cool. It's got one of those 90s gimmicks in there, so I don't really collect the 90s series of Doctor Strange that much, but if I do come across it like this, I'll gladly grab it. Let's see how this is packed. Alright, oh well, actually the one I was talking about is lying on top here. Let me just grab two files from this box and browse through them one by one. So yeah, this is the Doctor Strange one, issue number 50, and as you can see, it's got this hollow foil magic stuff going on. Typical 90s holographics look. And yeah, I didn't have it yet. I like it, so that's why I got it. Issue number 1 of the second volume of the Incredible Hulk series. And then 2 copies of Volume 1, 393. First print, second print. And with the green foil one, you often see a couple of spine ticks on it, but on this one it looks pretty clear. Maybe the edges, the corners are a little bit blunt. And I do see a small crease right here, but it still looks pretty good. I do have them already though, so I will most likely be putting them up for sale. I'm gonna check them out with the ones I have, see which one is better. Guardians of the Galaxy issue number 39, with also the holofoil adamantium skeleton of Wolverine. Fatal Attractions with a hologram on it. Now the bag is messing that up a little bit, so I'll just open it. Out, see if that's any better. With a hologram of Cable on it. Doesn't really make it that much better. Yeah, these were pretty cool holograms. If you shine a single light source on it, it looks really cool. Incredible Hulk issue number 400, also with the prism foil stuff. Then we have a couple of Doctor Doom or Doom 2099, which is a series I have a couple of issues of, but these are the lower ones in the series up until a certain point, and I don't have those yet. So yeah, they are very nice. They are going straight into my collection. Let me just see which issues they actually are. So we got issue number 7, and I'm not sure if this is all of the Doom 2099s. There might be some still in here. Issue number 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, which feels like a thicker one. And skip a couple and go to 18, 19 and 17. There we go. It's number 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And then we have an Amazing Spider-Man Mark Bagley run, issue number 351, which looks pretty good, I gotta say. Might be better than the one I actually have. And Eric Larson 337. Then we have a Marvel Tales, which I don't really collect, but this is one of the McFarlane covers, which I would like to get sometime. This one is in a kind of poor state with quite a lot of damage and folds and stuff. But yeah, I wouldn't be buying this for the story at all. It's just for the cover. Then the McFarlane Spider-Man series, issue number 10, featuring Wolverine and Wendigo. Spirits of Vengeance, issue number 11. And issue number 12, which is a glow-in-the-dark comic, which I'm going to show you guys. Now, I do already have this one, but I'm a sucker for glow-in-the-dark gimmicks, typical 90 gimmicks. And I might be able to make someone else happy with this one. We got issue number 10 and 11, issue number 3 as well, issue number 8 and 7, issue number 4. Then we have a book and record set, Captain America and the Falcon, and I don't think the record is included. I'm not familiar with this comic at all. I'm just gonna open it up and check it out. It's a very poor state, split spine, a lot of crustiness. But yeah, you don't see this one very often, so I'm just happy to have this. And I don't know if this is a story which has been reprinted from the actual Volume 1 series of Captain America. And I don't see it anywhere. Oh yeah, I guess it's a story specifically written for the Power Records. And you can see that there were many series which actually got this book and record set thing going. Fun stuff. But yeah, the record doesn't seem to be included. Since I can bend the pages, it won't be in there. I guess it was tucked in here. Yeah, I guess there were about 21 of these published. Then we have a Captain America issue number 332, which still looks in a pretty good shape, I gotta say. Some discoloration here, maybe some spine ticks. Overall still looks pretty good. And yeah, this one I don't have in my collection yet, so I'm very happy with that. 315, 324. Then we have a Thor issue number 319 and annual number 10. issue number 342 of the Mighty Thor, and issue number 340. Yeah, pretty diverse set of comics, I think. I think somewhere around half of it I already own, and the other half are very nice additions, I think. As for this little box, as some of you already know, I'm basically trying to focus as much on Uncanny X-Men as possible, or it does have my main focus, I should probably say it like that. And I came across this one, which is an issue I still needed, and this one has a lot of black on the cover, not just at the spine but also on like all over the cover, so that's pretty tough to find a nice copy of it which has not been graded. And I think I found one. It looked pretty good on the pictures. You never know how it's exactly gonna look when you have it in hand, but I got my hopes up high for this one. It's Uncanny X-Men issue number 42, and in hand it looks pretty good as well. But yeah, this was still a gap in my collection. Now, of course, it does have some dents in it, like for example, Jean Grey or hair. It's not that clear, but yeah, if it's on the black, you really notice it a lot. So I gotta say that this one looks pretty sharp, so I'm very happy with this. It's not a letdown at all. Let me see if I can. There is a spine tick, which is pretty big, but not so much color breaking, which is right here, right below the staple. I can't really properly get it in camera, but it is there. Some stress on the bottom or on the top of the cover. The corner is a little bit damaged right there, but overall it looks really good, so I'm very happy with this. Yeah, very cool. Very nice to have this. I got a couple more Uncanny X-Men's on the way, but they are coming from America, so it might take a while for them to come in. Yeah, this one looks really good. I'm very happy with this. So yeah, that might take a little while for them to come in. As I'm recording this, it's like the day before Christmas here in Holland. But it might get published like after Christmas. If that is the case, I want to wish you guys a nice holidays and New Year's Eve. For those interested in it, I'm hosting a claim sale and auction on Facebook as well. I'll drop the link on in the description. Like if you're living in Holland or Belgium, maybe Germany or the rest of Europe, it might be very interesting because the shipping costs will be pretty doable. It's going to be a variety of all kinds of comics, and it might be nice to check it out. And yeah, see you guys in the new year again. Thanks for joining for this video, and I'm just very happy to add these comics to my collection. And yeah, I hope to see you guys for the next video. Later.